Welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a common problem many of us face, trying to inspect a page where right click is disabled. Websites often disable right click to prevent users from easily copying content or viewing the page source. However, there are still ways to access this information without relying on the right click function. Let's dive into 4 simple methods to inspect the page source when clicking is disabled, whether you are using Windows or Mac. Method 1. Press Ctrl and U on your keyboard. This shortcut will open the page source in a new tab or window, allowing you to view the HTML and other elements of the page. This method is not working on this website, so we'll move to the next method. In browser, press Ctrl, Shift and I for Windows and Command, Option and I for Mac. It will open the Developers tool. Navigate to the Elements tab to view and inspect the page HTML directly. In the next method, we will go to the search bar and write view source : before the URL. As you can see what we are doing here. It will open the page source directly for you. The fourth method is straightforward. Go to the web page and save the web page as HTML file by pressing Ctrl and S. Once the file is stored, locate the file, right click on it and open it in any editor to view the page source. Here you go. 4 simple methods to access the page source when clicking is disabled. Remember to use these tools responsibly and respect the website's content and copyrights. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Leave your questions or comments below and see you next time.